Welcome to Joystick. In this video, you are going to learn how to write a Python program to display the current date and time. Let's get straight into coding the program by creating the main function first. So I'll type main and there you go, main function created. Now to display the current date and time in Python, we'll make use of Python's datetime module. So let's import it first. I'll write import datetime. All right. Within the body of the main function, we are going to first declare a variable v underscore today, date and time. And after the equals to sign, we will write datetime dot now. Alright, so we have made use of now method of the datetime class that exists within the datetime module. This is going to return an object of the datetime class containing current date and time, and that is going to store in this variable v underscore today date and time. Let's print this variable now to see the current date and time. Thus within print we'll write a message current date and time is. After comma we are going to write our variable. Alright, let's run this program and check the output. Alright, so you can see that the program is printing the current date and time. If you want to only display time in HHMMSS format, then we can do it too using the datetime module. In fact, we can make use of the same variable v underscore today date and time that contains datetime object containing the current date and time. We'll make use of the strftime method, which returns a string representation of date and time. This strftime method accepts format codes using which we can change the format of the date or time. So to display the time in this format, we'll write the format code as, and let's take this string into a variable and display it using print. So let's write the code for it. It will be v underscore today date and time dot strf time, and like I said, we are going to enter format codes like this: %h colon %m colon %s. Now we are going to take this string into a variable. So let it be v underscore HHMMSS. Okay, and now we are going to display the value of this variable v underscore HHMMSS. So I'm going to copy and paste this line of code. We need not reinvent the wheel, and over here I'll change the message and it will be time in HHMMSS format. Over here I'm going to change the variable to v underscore HHMMSS. Let's run the program and check the output. Alright, so you can see that the program is printing the current time in HHMMSS format. Alright, what if you only want to print today's date and not time? How can we do that? Let's look into that as well. So we first declare a variable v underscore today date, and after the equals to sign, we are going to write datetime dot today. So we are calling the today function of the date class of the datetime module. v underscore today date variable will now contain the date object containing the current date. Let's print today's date now. So within print we will write today's date is comma v underscore today date. Let's run the program and check the output. Alright, so you can see that today's date is being printed in this format YYYY-mm-dd. Now if you want to display the date in this format, then you can do it using format codes only. We'll again make use of the strftime function. So we'll write v underscore today date dot strftime, and within its brackets we will write format codes as %d forward slash percent m forward slash percent y. Capital Y over here means that the entire 4-digit year will be printed on the console. Now let's take the string representation of this date into a variable. So let that variable be v underscore ttmmyyyy, and we are going to finally print it using print. So it will be date in ttmmyyyy format is comma v underscore ttmmyyyy, which is our variable. All right, let's run the program again and check the output. And you can see that today's date has been printed in the format dd/mm/yyyy. In this video, you learned how to display current date and time using Python's datetime module. You also learned how to print individual date and time using datetime module 2, and how to use format codes to print a date and time in a specific format. For more Python programming questions, check out this playlist in the I button or the description box of this video. I look forward to helping you with Python programming and coding interview questions. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself.